Welcome to Horsley Hall. We haven't been walking for long, but as you can see, there are a load of trees in a line. Very significant. Oh my god, I think I found it. They're all in a line. Yeah. So we're still where we were. Found some stairs. So I don't know if this is the house or if this was an outbuilding. So we keep going across these. This is the second one now. I don't know what they are. I don't know if they're like sewage or something. Nice weird piece of wood. Ow! Slurp that lovely juice. Okay, so it's quite hard to see. Like very hard to see, but it looks like a walkway here. You can't really see it. There. There's like some concrete, it looks like, going all the way around. You step up. It's weird that. So as you come across this walk, you've got a lot more bricks. A lot more bricks. And another one of them weird square things. And another one. I'm thinking features of the garden. Can't be the house, I don't think. And we've got a full-on house. Now it's meant to be a hall, so I don't know if this is another outbuilding or whoa! I'm shouting whoa, I haven't even shown me what it is. Whoa. Look at that. Why are you bitching about me?
No, just saying your voice is different when it's on camera.
Whoa. That's cool, I'm gonna go round.
Okay.
So Kyle's just made a very good point. This must be the stables because of the metal thing they have to keep the horses in. Well done, Kyle.
Thanks.
Ooh, window. Creepy. And then we got this massive pillar. Very strange. With a hole to the other side. Strange. Whoa. Whoa, there's a massive boiler here. Yeah. Woo! That. Look at this, loads of midges everywhere. Very strange. Very strange. Into another room we go. Oh my god, Eloise, come here. Another chimney. Is it? It's actually the tunnel? Oh yes it is. The air raid shelter. Kyle! Whoa.
Hello?
Hey! Go on. Nice little fountain. Whoa. Okay, so one of the coolest things about this place is this, and this is what I wanted to show everyone. It used to be an air raid shelter. It's not very big, but it'll do. So me and Kyle have he's going that way, I'm gonna go this way, but we stumbled upon this and it's huge.
Huge. You might want to come this way as well.
Yeah, I will.
So they can see like a vehicle that's like been burned.
Alright, I'll come round. It's a bit muddy. It looks like stairs leading up to it. Hang on, I can't film. Ugh. Right, there you go. Looks like stairs, but doesn't lead anywhere. Unless this was the building and it's just no more. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. So Eloise has found a tiny house as well. We have split up. Kyle's found a car apparently. It's like someone had a bloody Prince of Persia. Whoa. Ah, that's where the roof come from. I just seen the roof a minute ago. So we had literally just walked all the way around, so.
We can rebuild this and get out of here.
Oh my god.
Maybe not.
That is strange. So someone's obviously left this here and then someone's just bloody burnt it. I hate people.
Don't we all?
Still got the engine here as well.
Yeah, but I doubt they're used to it.
Yeah, probably.
The rims could be.
Whoa. Still got the seatbelt as well there.
Safety first.
Yeah. So, me and Kyle have just tracked through everything and my legs are cut up to... But we found another building, so here we go. I think we found a toilet block. I don't know why. Oh, there's another building to the right as well. Whoa. Who would put a toilet? Oh, it stinks. In the middle of nowhere. Yeah, they're my toilets. Well, shit. An actual toilet. I'm out of here. Okay, so I've just come out of that toilet block. I don't know where Kyle is, but... And there's another one! This is a strange looking one. I don't know what they're doing in the middle of nowhere though. Whoa. I can shout myself, I didn't know you were in here.
Sorry, Dixon, Acton, Drilling.
Bit of Capri Sun in the corner. And there's some frame and some electrics, by the look of things. Huh. Let's carry on walking. So, very weird, but we've just carried on walking and found Eloise again, and Becca. Ow! And then it comes to a massive clearing. Just a random clearing. What?
Dirt bike race.
Strange enough, another tiny building, just a brick building, and then you come onto another clearing. Whoa.
Don't bully my wife.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Oh, dead end. Okay. On to the next one. Yeah, I know, so we just passed it. Hi all. Oh, fuck me. Sorry, it's got a shit on me then. What is it? Just a toilet, is it?
I imagine.
Looks like an outpost toilet. Yeah. It's a lovely view. Oh no, that's not meant to actually have a window. Oh, okay. Well, out we go. We found a little... Oh yeah, so we're still in search of Horsley Hall, so... With all the outbuildings, we still don't know where we're going, but... Look at... Oh, it's another tunnel! How far does it go?
Pretty much the same difference. Distance.
There we go, it's better. You can actually see now. Oh, I've got the stick as well. Let's get these sticks. There we go. No, I'm stuck. Yeah? Mm-hmm. I'm coming, give me a second. Alright, I'm on my way. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
I made it.
Come on, there's another one.
Alright.
Gonna go down that one, meet you at the end?
Sure.
Alright. See you in a bit.
In a bit.
Did you turn your walkie-talkie off?
No.
Might go long. Oh, I'm getting a bit of shit. Going up it in. Yeah.
Channel number 3. Hey.
Oh, hey. Right, that's filming again. Right, yeah. Bright as f, mate, for
Jesus. Alright, dude.
you. There you go. I'll hide the stuff, just don't make a sound.
Alright. I'll go in further. Will do. Oh, that's awesome now. There we go. Right, let me just sort this out.
If the ringer goes off, like a telephone ringer,
Yeah.
we're in trouble, okay?
Alright.
I can make people come in, so if I press it, we're in trouble.
And that basically means get out, yeah? So Shane, if I hear ringing, basically get out as quick as I can.
You are?
If I hear ringing, that means basically get out.
Yeah, alright.
Or do you want me to stay in? Well. Bit of better lighting.
Say that again. Okay.
That's where I just came in from. And this, you may not be able to have seen it earlier, but this is basically what I filmed. But I'm just using the light on my phone. So, you may not have been able to see it, but now I have this light. Yep, pretty damn bright. So now we can see you extremely better. Oop. I'll just film through there. Pipe in there, we will see that in a moment. You have no idea how ominous it is in here. Like, being with someone isn't as bad, but when you're on your own, not exactly inviting, especially with hot books hanging from the ceiling. Not the most inviting place. You can see the pipes I mentioned a second ago through this hole. Some wiring hanging out there. Not sure if you can see. Like just there near the left. Yeah? Yeah? I'm good. Guessing there was a gate of some sort here. This might have been a stable for horses. Actually, no, that couldn't have been a stable. Way too short. Like, there's the roof. I don't know what it could have been. Any ideas? Please post in the comments what you think this might do. And also suggest places you want us to visit. We're always up for ideas and looking for places. So yeah, if you want to see us do a specific place, just drop in the comments and we'll see if we can check it out.
Oh, it is the mic.
What's up?
Con?
Yeah. Here's come, dude.
Cheers.
Do you want a hand?
I'm
Grab
good.
the stick.
Incredible find.
Was that fun?
So after that basement find, which I really can't believe we found, we have got the spirit box going as well in Eloise's bag, but apparently we found another basement. We've got steps to it and everything. Go on Eloise, I'll follow you in. There's a what? A hole in the floor? Whoa.
How cool is this?
Whoa.
What's that?
Whoa. Another basement.
No way.
There is another basement there as well.
I will definitely go down there.
Right, we'll film the building and Kyle's going down there. So it just ends down here, but... Oh, it says twat. Okay. Right, try and film with that, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I'll literally put it like there.
Alright.
Oh, some Ribena and Lucasade. Right. This is the second, basement, I guess. I'm filming because no one else will. So hopefully I'll find some good stuff. Oh, you're joking! I can't go. I can climb over that. Right. I've got to I think outside the box. Hang on, are these stable? Yeah, stable. Oh, can I squeeze through there? Hang on, is that a drop? I cannot see. I won't fit through here. Will I? Will I fit? Oh, my shoulders are too broad. Bastard. How far does that go? I cannot see. Oh, it's just a wall. Oh, I could fit through here. Oh, my back. Oh, you're joking, I'm stuck. Great place to get stuck, Kyle. Yeah? I'm not saying I got stuck in here. Oh, fuck, it's on the video now. I'll balls to it. It wasn't go that way. Okay. Fucking hell, just close your eyes and listen to the noise I'm making. Oh, when did you get here? Hey. Just saying, this is pretty much empty now.
Okay.
But I'll try the other hole. I should be able to fit through there. Just saying, on the video I said I'm not going to say I got stuck, but I did. My shoulders were just about too broad to fit through, and then...
Well, that one there to the right.
What do you mean?
What hole?
Oh, like if you come here
Yeah.
and see that hole there.
Yeah, can you get through?
Yeah, but it literally just goes to about the same thing. And it's, oh, I love how I didn't see this here.
Oh, is there another one?
But it's literally like not. Oh, what's in there? Oh, it's a spider. Oh, sorry, spider. Oh, dude, if I can get in there, that'd be awesome.
How?
I'm just trying to think. Yeah, I can't get through that unless we like take down the wall. Oh, there's a spider there.
It's alright. Come on in.
Yeah, I'll try and get in the other one.
Let me get it.
Alright. Ah.
Sorry. Right, so there's another random little hole
Yeah, that's right. I can see through it.
that Kyle's going in, so I'll pass you the camera.
It's not much.
Yeah, try, just film it and then...
Oh, could I fit through that little gap there? Yes. I could definitely fit through there. Right. Right, I'm going to try and fit through this like little passageway. But I will literally have to be like on my stomach. Could you not stand on that while I'm like going under?
Yeah, Kyle, don't, it'll be too dangerous.
No, it's not. I'm just saying like, not go full in, but like film in there.
Alright,
Like,
be careful with the camera.
yeah, I know. Okay. Oh god, that's not fucking very reassuring. Yeah, I could fit through here, but I'd have to be on my stomach. And I do not really want to drag myself across bricks and stones and other unknown.
Fuck me.
What?
Anything, try, come
Ah.
on. I'll be over here, just shout us.
Yeah, I've got pretty much everything that's in here.
There's an absolute massive building there and here. It does say private road, enter your own risk. Oh my god. It does say enter your own risk, so... It says private property, dangerous, enter at your own risk.
I heard enter at your own risk?
Yeah. Whoa. Small toilets. Have a look here. It just says private property, dangerous, enter your own risk, but this is not what I wanted to show you. Come this way.
Can I have a look now?
Kyle, you're going to want to see this.
It's for sale.
Yeah? Look at that.
Is that it?
I don't know.
Whoa.
It's part of it, innit? Gotta be.
This is it. Oh, it is.
Fireplace.
Finally, welcome to Horsley Hall. There's another building there.
Oh my god, it did it again.
I heard that. We are actually at Horsley Hall. We've bloody done it. Look at that.
Blood, sweat, tears and stings. Made it.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm falling everywhere. Oh shit, sorry.
That's okay, darling.
Stable doors, still intact. We bloody done it. What are you, Eloise? Another fireplace. Another one there. So we've got different tiers here. Whoa. Incredible. Let's have a look at this other building. Let's see if there's any more holes for Kyle to climb into. Wow. Alright, hang on. The fuck was that? There's more of it there. Wow. Alright, hang on. Yeah, bit creepy. Well everyone, we made it to Horsley Hall and it looks like we're coming up onto the gardens. You see it better this side. So cool. This must have been the gardens then. Oh, did you see our new intro as well?
No.
You'll have to watch the video we did. Whoa. It's come to a dead end, is it? So we found another airway tunnel.
I hope this isn't like fucking like 8 foot deep.
Yeah, well no, it'll be as high as the thing goes. It is just water.
Yeah.
So we ain't going down there, unfortunately. Ugh. Smells as well. So we've just come from the archway and there's still actual like original stones. And probably what like actually held the building up. Like look at that. Incredible.
My mum's.
So that concludes our trip to Horsley Hall.
Absolutely amazing.
And it is literally
One by Shane.
there somewhere.
It was great. It was
That's all I can
amazing.
say.
Best thing we found so far, I think.
Took a while for us to find, hands down.
Still done it, haven't we?
Yeah.
Right. See you in the next one. Huh?